Okay guys, so welcome to next video, next day of speed sculpting, not speed sculpting. So yeah, in this video part, I made a female torso, as I said. So you can see me now modeling the basic shapes of the female torso by subdividing the cube and just extruding the mesh. And you can see I always start with this because it's very easy, and actually this sculpt took me 45 minutes instead of 1 hour because yeah, it was quite easy for me. I don't know why, but it was quite easy, and I thought to myself that there's no need to add more details because she already looked good. And I spent 15 minutes of my sculpting on actually rendering the sculpt with my new material, and you will see the preview of my tutorial at the end of the video. So how will it look, the render. So basically here I'm just extracting the neck, and also from the beginning I marked her breast by using inflate brush, if I remember correctly, and this will be changed later, the shape, because it is hard to land a good breast shape at first, and you will see me changing it quite a lot. And here I'm just basically doing the same thing as with the male torso, so I'm just marking the places where bones are and where the muscles are, and doing the same thing. So just doing just sculpting, then refining it again with the higher detail, and I repeat this step over and over again till I get something correct. And if now you're seeing that I stopped sculpting, that's because I was looking at the references and studying how she looked, not how she looked, how the female torso looked like. And yeah, that's why sometimes I stopped sculpting, just looking at the references and thinking, which is very important. And yeah guys, so I think I can leave you with the time lapse, and I will come back when I finish sculpting, and we will talk about the rendering process. Yeah, so see you soon. Okay guys, so here I am again. As you can see, I finished my sculpt, and now I'm going to render it by using the material that I created, and which I will show you how to make in future tutorials. And here I'm just looking for it. So yeah, as you can see, she will look a lot better when I add the lighting, and also I will do a tutorial about how to light your model to make it look good. And I did it to all my sculpt that I did before, so everything will be rendered and will be on my Instagram and on ArtStation, so make sure to check it out and like it guys if you like it. And yeah, so just watch the video and enjoy guys. And I also did a custom background in the Photoshop that you will see later. I will guide you through this process in the next tutorial series. So I'm really looking forward to this series, because when I finish it I can actually do another tutorial series, which is modeling the pump shotgun from Fortnite that I talked about in some video, and I don't remember which one. Yeah, so here's the Photoshop. I did also the Voldemort, as you can see, and yeah, just doing the same stuff, and I will render it and put it on my Instagram. So that will be it guys, and thank you, and see you soon. Bye.